Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart of Avis Budget Group. Now if you are looking at this particular stock, we have 35 years worth of data, and if you are looking at this particular stock, you can probably see it is very much visible that a breakout has happened after a long span of 3 decades, as you can see over here. So this is a very big breakout that has happened, and this stock has been in the news because of its results. So it has also provided a good result. As you can see, from 1992, the stock has been moving in between the range till 2021. So it is more than 27-28 years. But if you are looking from the starting of the trend, which is 1983 or 84, so it's been a very long trend, and the stock has moved quite significantly over a period of time, and it's been in a range. So a big breakout has happened, and it definitely is a start of a big trend, because whenever a stock moves with momentum as well as big volumes, you should keep your eye on that. What is actually happened here is the breakout above 56 and $69. Now these are your two immediate support or stop loss, because nobody would have expected such a staggering amount of rise. So because there is no hallway or no stopping in the between or after the breakout that the stock has shown, so we can't do anything for that. So $70 will be the level that you are going to look at. Now this is very important to understand. Now a breakout has happened, so obviously we are going to analyze the upcoming trend or the next forecasting target or next probable target. But for that we need to understand the previous trend or the trend in between which the stock has been moving for the last 30 or 35 years. So as you can see, the important, let me show you the important levels first. You have 8.79. This is also a very big support. You have $1.15. This is also a very big support level. Also you have 1.84. This is indeed a very big support level. So all these levels are very big levels to look at, because these levels have given stock a stability, and from these levels the stock went up higher, not one time but multiple time in the past. Now a breakout has happened with a sharp momentum. As you can see, after the breakout the stock has already moved by more than 300 or 400%. Okay, 420, 430%. Now is this the end of the story? Probably not. I would say certainly not, because a breakout after 30 years won't stop with a very primary move like this. At least for that we need to calculate the previous actions. So as you can see over here, uh, I'm not calculating from 1.85, I'm calculating from 1.84. So I'm not going below, otherwise the percentage will further increase. Anyhow, even from 1.84 to the upper end of the range, it worth 2900%. So because the breakout has happened, and if I calculate 2900%, even from this level we have far to go. So the next probable target that we are looking at in the upcoming weeks or months is $1600. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big trend is concerned. Let's see how the price will move, and we will definitely reanalyze it again, but this is for a long term. Do not a momentum is there, definitely, no doubt about it, but do consider a decent amount of period if you are thinking for a big target. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.